You're joining me for another Grumpy Monkey book. This one is called Grumpy Monkey Play All Day by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang and creatively read by Miss Jill. Hey, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. It's free. It was a busy afternoon in the jungle. Jim Panzee had to tidy his branch, search for food, clean his teeth, and pick fleas out of his fur. Jim didn't want to do any of that.
I don't want to do any of that.
I kind of like cleaning my branch, said Norman from next door.
Well, I don't,
said Jim.
It's boring. Plus, every time I clean it, it just gets messy again. Ugh. See? I'm not cleaning anymore.
Not even your teeth? Asked Norman.
Not anything, said Jim. I'm just going to have fun and play all day.
And there was lots of fun to be had.
You should sing with us. Yes, sing with us,
said the birds.
Me.
Jim had fun singing. You should swing with us.
Yes, swing with us, Jim,
said the monkeys. Jim had fun swinging.
You should roll with us,
said the zebras.
Yes, roll with us, Jim.
Jim had fun rolling. You should stroll with us.
Stroll with us,
said the peacocks. Jim had fun strolling.
Having fun is the best,
shouted Jim. But then the others had to stop.
We have to clean our nests,
said the birds.
We need to graze,
said the zebras. It's time for a nap, said the monkeys. We're an absolute mess. We must go and preen, said the peacocks.
Be boring if you want to,
said Jim.
I'm going to play with someone else. See you later.
And there were plenty of animals to play with.
You should kick sand.
You should stomp your feet.
You should catch leaves. Catch them on my prickly pines.
You should play tag.
You should jump up and down.
You should make a splash.
You should roll a ball. Here we go.
You should make funny faces.
You should chase your tail. You should laugh.
Jim played and played. He was having a great time. But then his tummy rumbled. Maybe we should find you some food, suggested Marabou.
No,
said Jim.
Finding food is boring. I'm having fun.
Jim tried to play ball, but he was so itchy he kept dropping it.
Please,
said Warthog.
Maybe pick 'em. No, that's boring,
said Jim.
I'm having fun.
Jim jumped up and down, but then he stopped suddenly.
Bathroom break?
Bullfrog suggested.
I don't need a bathroom break,
said Jim.
I'm having fun.
You sure don't look like you're having much fun, Jim.
Yeah, I don't think he's having any fun.
Nope, no fun, said the other animals.
I am having fun! Fun!
Jim shouted, and then he fell to the ground. Jim was exhausted. He was hungry. His throat hurt. He was itchy and dirty and cold.
Playing all day isn't really all that fun.
Jim sighed. Too much of anything can be, well, too much, said Norman. And so Jim did all the things he needed to do. He took a bathroom break. He found bananas to eat and even picked his teeth after. He took a bath and plucked the fleas out of his fur. And finally, he tidied his branch so he could go to sleep. None of it was fun.
Not fun.
But Jim felt great afterwards. The end.